Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? It is Sunday, February 25th of 2024. We are back for yet another stream. Today's stream is going to be a little bit short because I have to pack. I'm going on a trip. I got some other stuff to do, so don't expect a long stream today. But yeah, the plan is to, I guess, just catch up on open source stuff. Turns out my deadsnakes builds from last stream did not work, so we're gonna fix those. And we got a bunch of other stuff to review. Oh, and a new bug in pre-commit.ci, so we're gonna look at that too. But let me say hi to everyone who's here, and then we'll jump into things. Beldothus was first with the bunny. Shmuel is also here. Nazumi, welcome back. Hello, hello. Clement, good to see you again. TYMTYA, welcome to the stream. Hello, hello. Reminding me that I forgot to open up my dashboard. Mila, welcome back with a quick hi. DJ Broke, welcome to the stream. JJMC, good to see you again. Recent events, there we go. Bitvestment, hello, hello. Easy Light's also here. Trip to Franchland, sort of. Franchland Light says Tina. I'm going to the Canada. Mokotech Plays, hello, hello. The Lumen, welcome, welcome. Little Bully, how you doing? Yeah, Canada. The other Franch. Music too loud? No, it's probably fine. Okay, so let's figure out what I broke in deadsnakes, because probably, yeah, I already know what it is. It's gonna be the fucking news files that I forgot to do. So we're gonna go and fix those. Yeah. 313 succeeded, but 311 and 312 did not. Annoying. Look at those AMD 64 builds. Those are the easy ones. You have both chats consolidated? What do you mean? What does it mean? What does it mean, little bully? I don't know what you mean. Do 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 do. Lib idlib news.txt. Al Gore, hello, hello, welcome back. Yeah, no, I'm only streaming on Twitch. But the stuff ends up on YouTube later. Okay, so that's the problem there. Maniac, thank you for the resub at 4 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. My bad, trying to cheer. Oh yeah, no, you gotta space there. You found another Pikachu with hat. I've got all 4 of them. There's 4 of them right now. They happen every other hour. By the way, in Pogo. There we go. Al Gore, thank you for the bits. Appreciate that. Welcome back. It's good to see you, Ben, again. It's been a while since we've had the inventor of the internet on our stream. We've also got Faisal Kenyon. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Definitely said that wrong, but hope you're doing well. Al Gore sounds like a super serial name. Why did I click both 311s here and not a 312? I wanted to see a 312. Slurp. Probably the same thing. Cannot stat lib idlib news. Alright, so we gotta see where that file moved. On the 311 branch. Lib idlib. Why is it news 3 there? Did it move and then move back? Nakiku, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Is Al Gore a US politician? Yes. Yes. What the fuck? I feel like I handled this already. Oh, rename. That was way back. Anyway, easy to fix. Deadsnakes. dailies. And the nightly doesn't package the news, so that's why we avoided this. Elgar says, I've been busy. I'm a sysadmin now, and my name comes from the South Park craze. Oh, I see, I see. You get the reference. Oh no, I did not get the reference. I did not get the reference. Spitfire says, do you use Zansh? No, nor do I know how to pronounce it. But I know about it. I just use boring bash. Red snakes. Dead snakes. Oof. We need 312 and we need 311. Yeah, my exposure to South Park is mostly catching episodes in the background as my roommate steamrolled through TV shows in college. So my South Park is a little rusty. Like I think I've seen the Creme Fraiche episode like 10 times. And I've seen the Scientology one. I've seen that one. I've seen that one a bunch. But classic rainy episode, yeah. Creme Fraiche. Well, not this. Did I do it better? Did I French it better that time? Okay, I don't live. News. Oh, this is now lowercase EWS3. News 3. Fucking annoying. Fucking annoying. Update idlibs news file name. And then we make another release. Update idlibs news file name. Jimmy. Now you just said that's the French, right? It just making the guttural sounds possible. No. Yeah. Perfect. Magnifique. GPG. JJMC with 2 years. Getting that fancy badge. It's good to see you again, JJMC. I hope you're doing well, and thank you for your continued support with your resub. Okay, we did Jammy. We need to do Focal now. And get Jerry pick a bunch of Jammy. Oh, that's not gonna work. Though, why did that? Viewers, like I can never make them work the way I want them to. Bloop, 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 bloop. Did you like my latest Pogo postcard? I don't know if I saw it. I don't know if I've opened it yet. Did I open it? Oh, what am I doing? Here we go. Best friends, yeah, we're getting close. I think I'm the closest of my friends right now. Unbox released. Boop. Do GPG stuff again. Logged in here still? Damn. Not logged. My one's just beeped. This one's been chugging for a while now. GPG. GPG. Okay, so that should be 312. We still need to do 311 for the same thing. I need to click on this factory doodad. When it changes right out from under you. Oh yeah, I saw the numbers for the 200 milliseconds and that was enough. All right, 311 is next. And how are you all doing? How was your week? What were you up to? How were things? Do. Requires a value, of course it does. DCH-V. Stupid thing. Jimmy. Fuck, that's the wrong thing. Your face requires a value. Yeah, it's true. How did you know? The tedious parts of this. I should just stop packaging the news file. That would fix all these problems. I went to the museum near the Eiffel Tower yesterday. Oh, neat. I visited the Eiffel Tower when I was in Franchland. When was that? Pre-pandemic. It's probably 2019. I went to Paris. I feel like we didn't really do much other than just walk around and look at stuff. I guess we did the catacombs. That was the catacombs and the Eiffel Tower were like two touristy thingies. Get cherry pick Ubuntu jammy carrot. Samku, hello, welcome. How you doing? CH-V2. Vocal. Copy this. There. Ooh. No. Copy too much. Got the new line in there. Not what I wanted. There we go. Does anyone know? No, I don't know what that is. This is like E-hole 42D's nuts. That's the. What is the reference? I don't know what that is. Oh, I forgot to upload last week's stream. Oops. I'll try and remember to do that after stream today. GPG key. All right, we will let that run off into the sunset. Okay, so the other thing that happened recently is someone tried out pre-commit.ci and they ran into an interesting exception. Why deadsnakes over PyM? Because PyM fucking sucks and has wasted thousands of hours of my time. Because it turns out building Python is really difficult, and PyM assumes that it is trivial. And if you can make it work, by all means use it and make it work, but holy shit, is it a pain in the ass to try and support anyone else using it. Not to mention it sort of relies on your machine being in a good state, and let me tell you, developers' machines are never in a good state. They are always some amount of broken. Stan Robot, hello, how you doing? PyM is not great. What do you think about Micromamba? Conda is a whole different can of worms. It has its own set of terrible problems. But yeah. I guess I can't show the whole stack trace here. We'll just get the important bits. 7-stream streak. I mean, don't get me wrong, like if you're doing data science, Conda solves a real problem for you, but otherwise I feel like you are not really helping anything. PyM has an easy, well, yeah, because they can assume a reasonable underlying state and pull binaries, but I also think that they could build, you know, self-contained Pythons and redistribute those instead of wasting billions of hours of CPU time building Python from source. Why do you keep putting a winky face on things, Kazakar? You make me uncomfortable. Don't. I know exactly what Micromamba is. I know exactly what it is. You don't need to tell me. It's so small you can use it in your container. Not really. Have you looked at the size of the environments it produces? It's not different than Conda. It has all the same problems. What the fuck am I doing? Oh. So there's this new stack trace. Well, that part's not new. But the actual error is new. This is the error that GitHub gives us. Although you appear to have the correct authorization credentials, the damn. Well, I wasn't meaning to show their organization name. The organization has an IP allow list enabled, and your IP address is not permitted to access this resource. Basically, someone's trying out pre-commit.ci, and their org has special API restrictions. So we have to make it handle this. Unfortunately, this is during the setup of credentials. So yeah, dedent this a little bit. This is during the git install token thing. So there's actually nothing pre-commit.ci can do about this other than swallow the error and ignore it. But at least it'll be better. Winky face feels like it's a bad emoji, as it always says, I know more than you, and I'm looking down at you somehow. Yeah, exactly. Go for coffee while you create a conda emp, yeah. Yeah, that's pretty true. Okay, but anyway, we basically just need to ignore this error. Because there's not really anything that can be done about it. I mainly use it as a creator for a different Python version, then run pip install -r requirements.txt. I feel like you're holding it wrong then, because kind of the point of conda is that you don't use pip. But what do I know? Runner. Alright, so I believe there's already a spot in runner for this. Yeah, we already have a spot for this. Just got a Zygarde. Oh, nice. So a little hint about that Beldothus. I know you got it from a research. The research catches are all guaranteed. So you can use whatever items and balls that you want, and eventually you'll succeed. But maybe they should just clone pre-commit to their local Git vendor. They're on GitHub. But yeah, they could just use actions instead. Yeah, you have the dog for me. Yeah, any of the research rewards are always guaranteed catches in Pokemon Go. Pip and Conda is like using dpackage to install packages on Debian. Yep. Yeah. Okay, so I believe I have tests for this somewhere. Test, worker test, access token. There should be just access token success. Ah, we have our errors here. Hooray! So we this is so easy. We literally just take this and turn it into JSON, or turn it into one line of JSON. Oh fuck. Without the little oh, annoyingly the message has the organization name in it, so There are good means to use deadsnakes without installing as root / installing to the system. I mean, that's kind of the point, is to install it to the system. They are system packages. But once you have the Pythons there, you don't install packages, those use virtual environments. Ramzayua, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Always nice when a coworker's like, I ran sudo dpackage, installed 300 packages, then apt was surprisingly broken. I ran sudo aptitude to fix it, it's somehow still broken. Yeah. 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 Giuseppe, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, so that's what we should expect here. And it does not succeed at the moment. I only use dpackage when I install apps like Trillium Notes. Yeah, but you could still use GW-N, which is gonna follow the same apt installation approaches without using dpackage directly. The only truly safe depackage command is depackage-l. Yep. Ramsey says, "Hi Anthony, I've seen you on YouTube. Amazing content. Keep going. I'm surprised to see you here." Well, I've been here longer than I've been on YouTube's. It's been coming up on 6 years, surprisingly. Pratik says, "Why core programming have less money?" What does that mean? What do you mean? What is meant by that? Yeah, GDebi is it's a tool for installing Debian packages similar to apt, but it's like dpackage plus nice things, or when you have a random deb hanging out and not a package repository. Okay. Taco Man, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Imagine random debs. Yeah. Okay, so I have to actually look at a pattern for this because annoyingly the org name is in the error message, so it's not exactly matchable. Benji2TV, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Cool. Well, my work because privately I don't run Debian, Ubuntu, or their derivatives. That makes sense. Pac-Man says, "I'm new to Python. Also use React.js plus Django at the same time." It is indeed. That is how Sentry is set up. Yeah. Saram, hello. How you doing? Do you know any OS concepts or books to deep dive how applications, memories, threads, and so on work in the kernel? I don't know. There's probably a bunch. Been selling Bitwarden, Dixword, Zoom, Chrome, Google Earth, and RStudio from devs because they're either not packaged or so out of date they're unusable. Yeah, I know that feel. Alright. Hooray! It's fixed! Oh, almost to my work branch thing. IP deny list, allow list. Let's see. Handle organizations denying pre-commit, denying access by IP allow list / deny list. Cool. Mr. Singh! Thank you for the resub at 27 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well, and I appreciate your continued support. Hope you're doing well. I don't know. Regex feels like it solves most of my stuff. Yeah, I don't really have any specific today. I'm just trying to catch up on junk. Metal Storm's also here. Hello, hello. How you doing? I feel like programming books are out of date the day they're published. Yeah, it's fairly true. Although there's some that somehow stand the test of time, like a lot of the C and like old C books are still pretty relevant, just because that stuff doesn't really change all that much. Who are you? What are you, little notification? Hello? These all are marked as red. Fucking A. What was that? Alexa Pecan, thank you for the reset with Prime at 22 months. It's been a while. It's good to see you again. Hello, hello. I hope you're doing well. Appreciate you stopping by again. What the fuck? Oh, unread might be what I want. Ah. From a long time ago. Yeah. Okay, we'll get to that though. GitHub notifications working as always and ever. Yeah. Nice to see you again. Yes. I'm still here sometimes. Been busy lately though, unfortunately. Well, that was a fast run. Oh, I guess I mean the tests are quick and pre-commit.ci is fast, so of course it's fast. GitHub CSS has been pretty off the past couple of weeks. Has it ever been on? Repo's getting kind of big. Washing machine, dryers spinning up. Okay, that looks good. We'll let that merge. And then be able to purge this. Washington machine? No. Okay, let's see if these builds succeeded. Did they even get uploaded? 22 packages building. Oh, there we go. I was like, I'm pretty sure I pushed those. This is in Google. Launchpad bamboozling me. Okay, what can we do while we're waiting for that? I guess we can do the one that I had open. Don't need that, don't need this, don't need that. As for M directory, I mean more that there's a single place you would put the .m file. Cursing is not a good idea here. You can always specify the hook more than once if they have multiple M files, though that seems unlikely. You can probably default this directory to dot. The big guy. Thank you for the subscription. Welcome, welcome. What a great name. The big guy. How's the UX of Launchpad for you? It's not great. I mean, it does what it needs to do. I don't think it really needs to be that special, but. W Run says, "Are you a Python core maintainer?" Nope. But I do too much stuff, I guess. Beyond using the official Python Docker images versus installing deadsnakes on a base image. You're gonna get slightly different results. The official images are fine. I don't use them personally, but they're fine. I tend to prefer deadsnakes, one, because I maintain it, but also because I can reproduce exactly what it does outside of Docker. Because Docker is kind of a pain in the butt sometimes. Is no-guild Python finally a thing? I don't think that it's actually thread-free at the moment. I don't know. We can run it. Sorry, PPA deadsnake / nightly. Boop. Oblivion, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. You considered it or not? Becoming a core dev? Nah, fuck that. Way too much busy work. Way too much drama more than anything else. Alright. What is that terrible regex? Only way to parse this. That sucks. Wink. Oblivion says I'm doing well. Sounds good, sounds good. Hey, what are you doing? Are you showing chat your showing chat your rod? Yeah. I'm not showing chat my rod. You made it girthier? You engirthied your rod? With tape. Kyle Vega, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yeah. Outdated version. Hello, hello. A free rod? Says Life's Faded. Yeah, they're talking about your free rod. Yeah? Alright, anyway. Like 13T. Hooray. This.abi flags. T. Whoa. Fancy. Faisal Kenyan says, is computer science irrelevant in 2024? What would possibly lead you to believe that? My god. Yeah, someone's been watching too much shitty creators on YouTube. I just heard people say it. Yeah. Unfortunately, you're listening to idiots. AI will replace all of our jobs. Yeah. I don't. No, it's not gonna happen. Is it time to include no-gil and GitHub Actions CI pipelines? I don't. I mean, I don't think it's really gonna make a difference yet. I don't think they're actually. I think it still has the gil. It just has some of the parts popped out. Is the name of their what was that? Python 3.13 Alpha ships with the wrong PyConfig? Seems bad. Oh. Ah, clown behavior. Um. Wild. Okay, anyway, that's not what I was thinking about. Yeah. Seems like they don't actually have the. Holy fuck, that's a big chunk of memory. Probably weird architecture stuff. Make thread module thread safe and disable GIL builds. Yeah. Yeah, so something tells me that it's not actually ready if the garbage collector is not, but anyway, you can still install the work in progress version of it and get something working there, but yeah. I'm gonna play the dev. Gotta make sure it did its little thing. What I want. This button. Do. Yay, it ran validate. So stupid. It's the most frustrating thing. The GitHub Actions bakes the node version into all of their actions, even if they just work. So they throw all these useless warnings, but then use the right version anyway. Making a lot of work for everyone. Alright, got here. Remove duplicated packages. Oh, this is an old issue. Fix pre-commit. Why did that change? Strange. Get back to still seeing better than gobbled up Jenkins pipelines. No. What happens if you don't say please? If you don't say please, the bot doesn't do shit. The bot only listens if you are polite to it. Why you changed this line? We'll have to good code change like a ghost, I guess. Bool self.comments greater than bool requirement.comments. That is an interesting way to say. To say that. I mean, it does represent what they want, but it's a little odd. And this is the deduplication part. Yeah, I mean, this seems fine. I'm gonna good code change like a ghost though. Holy fuck, look at how long their branch name is. They wrote an essay in their branch name. Sir Vigano, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Mustax also here. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Respect with column size. There are 5 characters, 9 characters, 9 characters for. Mustax says I'm not a bot, so stop saying that I'm a bot on Discord. Oh, we have a bot in our chat. Those pass and fail comments or constants are pretty useless. Branch name seems like someone who works too long in corporate settings with Jira tickets and other meaningless crap. Yeah, probably. Prove you're not a bot. Let me calculate. Sounds like bot behavior to me, Mustache. What? That number doesn't make any sense. Why are there weird commas everywhere? Clearly not a bot. I don't know. A bot feels like it might do that. Using Selenium? Yeah. Who let that bot get connected to the internet? Boop. 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 Alright, cool. MatCAD XMCD extensions. Is this an issue or is this a pull request? Okay, cool. Cool story, bro. Am I watching the GeoGuessr finals? Asks Topographies. No. I'm taking over your stream, Anthony. Good luck, the Terminator. Oh no, the bot. The bot is coming. Have you considered supporting Rel? No. Why the fuck would I support Rel? Rel fucking sucks. And Centos is dead. So no, I have no reason to do that. Ormus is here. Hello, how you doing? It's been one of those weeks where everything's gone to shit. Yeah. I've been using this for 2 weeks. I guess that's technically not true because their code was broken until they fixed it here on the 10th. And then on the 19th, you're a liar, Clement! Flashbus says, tags the Indian number system bot as an Indian native speaker. Oh. We're figuring more out here. Alright, deploy to prod, so I should be able to click this button. And it should... Look at one of these. Do. Cool. Queued for 5,199 minutes. Yeah. Oh. Disable it. No, I just can't see it because it's locked out. Fair. Only use rel and rel like distros at work. You poor soul. Yeah. Yeah. Watch time. Yeah, I don't have one of those. And follow age is gone because which changed how API stuff works, and it's just cool. All right, that's at 0 again, so I can rest easily. All right, what's this patch? Is there a strange way to write this? I think I'm gonna do it like this instead. So we're gonna good code change like a ghost. They didn't fucking write a test for their thing. Actually, I can link to a YouTube video. Boolean trap. Do 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 do. I feel like these are named only, right? Yeah. Nice the assist there. Well, that Boolean trap video, can't recall how many times I've directed others at. Oh yeah, it's one of the ones I send at the most. It's one of the ones I send the most often. Yeah. Kanzakar says, I show your videos at work to my colleagues when I try and explain something. Yeah, I do it all the time. And about poetry too. Yeah, well, I mean, if you want to use poetry, by all means, use poetry. I don't think it should skip it. People add their garbage. And these prints, you know, they're a Java programmer. Anthony doesn't like poetry, but it's the easiest way to ship a log file to a corporate Git server. That's not true. Pip freeze is 9 million times easier than running poetry. Yeah, this is gonna annoy people. We recently shifted from Conda to Mamba at work. Good, but not good enough. I mean, that's an improvement. Wusa, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. With your watch streak. Why did this become false? Does this really not fit on online? Two indents or three indents? What the fuck happened here? Oh my god. I think this is correct. Slightly worried about. Yeah, no, fuck it, I don't care. I don't really use pre-push. I'm in the process of moving to a new apartment for 6 weeks now. Had to install an entire kitchen and renovate stuff. How do you manage to move cross-country and finally into an entire house? I'm already so tired with delays, cancel deliveries, technicians, landlord not responding. I got a little bit lucky in that, like, my previous apartment was pretty nice, and my house is fairly new. But yeah, there's still like all sorts of stuff to always. The house is never done. Prefer poetry over Pipem. Pipem fucking sucks too. Don't use that either. I prefer bad thing over other bad thing. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Great. You enjoy the shenanigans that I'm dealing with at work, but after the 4th release with issues, the VP of the team who has introduced all these release issues has finally agreed that they need appropriate PR guidelines, Jira hygiene, updated testing, and post-code freeze merge acceptance criteria. Nice. When moving, I had a hard time with the refrigerator. Nearly hurt my fiance with it. Oh. I feel like with large appliances, it's best to have someone install them and not try and do it yourself. Just in my experience. Okay. I'm actually caught up. What the hell am I gonna do for the next 45 minutes that I had planned? Well, I wanted to do a thing with my microcontroller project because I've noticed that it is not very accurate in timing. So I want to play around with figuring out like what, basically profiling the different parts of the run loop and see if there's ways to cheat on the HID task to make it work better. So we're gonna play around with that. That's what I want to do. But before that, I'm gonna fill up my water. I will be right back, and we'll jump into that. Bloop, 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 bloop. So I will see you in a sec. Hello, I'm back. Tonatardi and Finito Infinito. Thank you both for the follow. Welcome to the stream. Oh my goodness, there's so much chat that happened while I was gone. Oh my. Jira Rage. Internet problems. Jenkins. What? Jira. Deer? What are you getting deer from? The Jira deer? Is that a thing? What are you doing? You're nonsensing. You're rotting? Oh, you're playing with your rod. Whisper 12. Hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. Bum, 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 bum. It did sound like I said deer. Oh, okay, well. Are you? Are you not wrong? Okay, alright. So we are going to go here. Ahead of main. Oh right, we were working on this last time. Yeah. There will be no rod playing on this stream. In Poland, we have funny ways to call Jira. Oh. Google Cook says, what's the board in the background? Oh, I forgot to show my board. I don't know what you mean. The art? Does it mean Emacs is a good operating system? Too bad it doesn't come with a good text editor. Really have any merit? It kind of does. I forgot to switch the screen. It's fine. It's fine. You didn't miss anything. This one? This one here? That one right there? Yeah. Look at the link that DDoS made the bot spit out. That one is the answer. It's just art. Okay, hardware switch. So, oh, I'm gonna need to get a switch. Damn. Should have gotten that while I was getting my water. Yeah, I'm gonna go grab a switch. I'll be right back. Alright, so let me show you the problem first off, I guess. So I can put context onto what we're fixing here. Let's use Monuments 1v5. I think it's the best example of this. Pokebox. It does actually allow me to tab complete, but it's really slow. 1v5 to here. Brr. So we open up one of these. Basically, I am pressing a certain combination of buttons for a certain amount of time, and it should always land in exactly the same spot, but you'll notice that it doesn't. There's some amount of variability here. And because of that, it makes it really hard to do the navigation. And really, there's like, it basically lands here, moves to another spot, moves to another spot. So it has to get those 3 precise movements to be not with as large error bars as there are right now. And I suspect that some of this is some inefficiency that I've done in my little microcontroller code. So I'm gonna try and profile parts of it and see if we can speed things up a little bit. Wow, it was way back here on this one. But yeah, you can see these are kind of all over the place. Yeah. Okay, so that's the plan. GY Media, hello, welcome back. Pokebox, that's a damn good name. Yeah. It's my Pokemon box. Literally all it does. Bill Cook says there's like a YouTube video for every single one of my questions, which shows how colorless my questions are. Nah, you're fine. I have videos for all sorts of questions because people ask all the same questions. For such complex setup and work around Nintendo Switch, it's still impressive. What do you mean? The like that this gets this close? It is actually kind of wild because I'm basically going across the map and landing in a pretty precise spot. But I think it can be better, so that's what we're gonna try and see if I can make it better today. Yeah. So just get it set up so that we can actually see. Da. And that's weird. I've been looking for that. It's one of my C to otherwise cables. There's a little microcontroller, dude. Trust. I'm gonna reflash a version of the code. Oh, this Nintendo Switch is quite complicated. I mean, yeah, my controller setup thing is too. I actually don't think I need sudo with this command. Yeah, it seems to work without sudo. Hooray. Okay, let me plug this in just to make sure that we have. I'm gonna have to do this plugging and unplugging a lot today, aren't I? Hi. Keyboard slammer. It's you, the keyboard slammer. Okay, so I should be able to. This button. Oh. I need to disconnect my other controller. Which I don't need to do with Joy-Cons, but I don't know why it's different. Yes, disconnected that guy. Alright, cool. So, let's see if I can show the problem just with like this screen here. So if I press D for a duration of 0.5, and then A for a duration of 0.5, like, isn't always going to be consistent. I don't know. Maybe this doesn't demonstrate it well, but it has like microsecond or millisecond inaccuracies. Try to point. We need a smaller one so it doesn't scroll. Oh, dang it. One might be precise enough. Anyway, I want to look at timing on this, so we're gonna open up the little C file and see how long things take. Arduino. Oh, actually, this is Lufa. Unsearchable. Damn, I don't even know how I'm gonna find this. Micros. I hope this is available on in this other framework, but I'm not sure. Opinion on LSPs? I mean, I'm sure they're fine. I don't need them, so I don't use them. Okay, so I basically want to keep a bunch of values here and then print them out. Mr. Lento, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's see. Let's actually just say uint, is it uint 8 or 16? It doesn't say. Grab your. Where's the function? Unsigned long micros. Would that be? I think it's 32T on this platform. I guess I could just write unsigned long. Yeah, so I think this will just be a good example of trying to figure this out. How do I? I need A to I. I need to reference lookup without an LSP. Damn, how am I gonna find the YouTube video on this? It's either, well, it could be a bunch of these different videos. Let's see which one it is. 394. 394? Nope. 55. Nope. 54. Nope. 173. Nope. What happened there? 220. It feels like 220. That feels like one of them. Finding source code of docs. There it is. Go. Yeah, so I need I to A basically. Except I don't have a good one. I know on classic Arduino there's a actually let's find where this is. There's probably something here that helps me with this. J1986 Selena Nina looks hi, welcome. What framework do you use for your microcontroller? This one is using Lufa, but the other ones are just plain Arduino, boring plain Arduino. Where's the headers for this? Probably here. Data. I could probably just do it send data and then figure it out from the other end. Send byte. New. Okay, so I don't have the normal send integer. There's a nice like send integer for plain Arduino, but not here. Hello, I'm Dan. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. So I'm going to send string, send data. Yeah. And then implicit declaration of function micros. Micros, Lufa. Am I gonna have to figure out how micros is implemented? That's gonna be annoying. Thoughts on Python and WASM? Does it have a future? I don't know. I don't use it, so I don't really know. Well then. How do I find the actual implement? Oh, it's gonna be an AVR probably. Arduino micros implementation. Annoyingly, I can't just pull this library in. Uh, Where's their code? Uh, Electric RC Aircraft Guy .llc. You can try busy waiting. I'm not trying to sleep. I'm trying to measure it. I don't have millis or micros, so I'm trying to figure out the like registered approach to get this. This is GPL. Oh, I'm not gonna read that one. I'm just surprised that I don't see an implementation of these. Oh, here it is. Huh. Are you saying while you're packing? I'm going to Toronto for work stuff. Inside is start 1995? Yeah. Yeah. I have AVR libc, but I think I basically need this function. Because I don't think it's available. Don't know if we have that either. You can just try pasting this in and seeing if it works. Somehow I don't think it will. Timer 0. Oh god, what is this? A whole bunch of other junk. That's not referenced at all. 8-bit timer counter 0. I wonder if I can. Can't really link this in, unfortunately. Yeah. I'm just gonna set this to 0 and see what happens. Because I think it's handling the like rollover stuff. Clock cycles per millisecond. That come from. Here. Well, it built. I don't know if it's gonna be meaningful though. Code Chevet, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. But volatile 0, yeah, I don't. Who knows if this is gonna work. Doot doot doot. Yeah, basically. Okay, so we can still use the controller, so that's good. How the fuck does this work? It is just reading the output. Okay, so I guess we can keep it in this verbose mode. It doesn't really change much. What? Okay, we got 4 null bytes. So it thinks that it took 0. I don't really trust the code that I've written. Kenny Jarrett, hello, how you doing? Did some USB disconnect from my PC stream? No, sorry about that. Ugh. This is not going to help me. Is this actually the right project? It has a lot of stars, so probably. very annoying because I don't have a good way of validating if this function even works. This is just the overflow stuff, I think. Yeah, I wonder if I can just pull in the Arduino library somehow. Hmm. This just seems nonsense. Uh, yeah, I don't really trust my copy pasted version of this function. I wonder if I can just link in this. Link in this file somehow. Um, yeah, I wish I wasn't using this library because I know exactly how to do it with just normal Arduino. Hmm. Hmm. This is a joystick library, which is essentially what we are. But how does it work? Uh, blah, 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 blah. Return 0. But I'm actually almost out of time. So probably gonna wrap up here. Ezekiel, hello. How you doing? Bill Cook says, is dot equivalent to os.getCDD? Not really, because getCDD is usually gonna give you an absolute path. Whereas dot doesn't necessarily reference this. If you CD. Yeah, but if there's no chdir present, then yes, they are the same. Okay, but yeah, sorry for this short stream. I gotta go pack. So I'm gonna wrap up here, even though I didn't get this working, which is annoying. So I'll have to figure out some other way to do this. Hi Skydiver, welcome. But I will see you around. Let me do my little spiel, and then we'll find someone to send you off to. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. If you missed any part of the stream, those show up on the second channel if I remember to upload it, and that's anthonywritescode-vods. So go subscribe to the VODs channel as well. I normally stream, well, I haven't streamed on weekdays for a while, but I definitely stream once a week on weekends, usually. Yeah, something like that. But I announce my streams on the Discord. Join that, come hang out. But I'll see you around. Let's go find someone to raid.